Yeah, it's the call to prayer. What do you think?
That's it for the Lion King.
That
Right?
shows pretty cool.
Come on, sugar. You want to go upstairs to the aquarium? You want to get some food first? Come on, Scarlett.
Let's go.
That's it for the Lion
Like the Lion King. Yeah.
That's it for the bee.
That's the calling so everyone will go to prayer.
Pale. Say pale.
Prayer.
Say pale.
Prayer.
What's that for the pale?
Yeah, we're going to go get some food.
We're gonna get some food. So, Mom.
Well,
Hey,
first we
Mom.
gotta go pray, okay?
You like that?
That was really intense. That was our first experience. We just walked into the mall, and I don't know, maybe it's fate. Just kidding, Mom. That was the first time we got to hear the call of prayer, and it was at the mall. How funny is that? All right.
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa,
That's a leopard.
It's a leopard. You say bye-bye, I love you.
I love you.
Bye. She's like, no, don't